Hey, my peeps, let's make something cute for our s'mores tea tray. We're gonna make a mini prop fire pit with some marshmallows on some twigs that I have. So basically, I just got a tea light from Dollar Tree and I painted it black. And now I'm just gonna glue on some rocks to make, the outside of the fire pit. And I got the rocks from Dollar Tree as well. I got the tea light from Dollar Tree. The rocks came from Dollar Tree. And the twigs I just found outside um, by some trees. But Dollar Tree does every once in a while carry some twigs and stuff like that. So you might find that at Dollar Tree as well. So anyway, I just went around the tea light and just glued. I'm sorry I'm off camera there. But basically I just glued the rocks onto the outside of the tea light. And then I got the twigs. I broke them up in pieces because I'm going to put them right on top of that tea light. I'm going to glue them down and try to fill in the space as much as I can. It's not too, I didn't compact it too much. I just, wanted the bottom part to have some twigs on it and not just the twigs be right on top of the rock. So I'm basically just gluing the little twigs into any little spot that I could fill. Okay. So now I'm just going to take some more twigs and I'm going to put another layer of twigs on top of that until I like the way it looks. You could even, like, if you want to point them up like in a triangle, but I didn't do that. I just laid them down in a little layer, well, 2 layers. I didn't do it in more than 2 layers. I just did the 2 layers and just try to fit those twigs in as best as I could. And I think that's gonna be that for that little fire pit. Now make sure that you check the battery, that the light works, because I had another tea light and the battery didn't work. So make sure you check to see. You don't want to do all that work and then find out that the battery doesn't work. Okay. So now I got another twig. This twig was really thin, so I decided to use that to hold my marshmallows to go in the fire pit, as you can see right there. But I made another fire pit, and this one I used the black rocks from Dollar Tree to make the fire pit. But I basically did the same thing, like layered the twigs on top. So now I'm just making the little tiny marshmallows to go onto the stick so it could go into our fire pit. And I don't have any decor for my s'mores tea tray. I just have a bunch of s'more stuff that I've been making, but I don't really have any decor. So I thought I would make this little prop to go on my tea tray, and I have other ideas for some other things. So I think it came out cute. I mean, you can make it bigger if you find a bigger tea light. But there you go. Isn't that cute? Looks like a little fire and everything because the lights flicker. Just a little something to go on my tea tray, but I might use it in another way. But for now, that's it. Hope you like it and you make some. Talk to you later. Bye.